Hey there, fellow marketers and creative minds. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, part of a growing agency, or just someone who loves keeping up with the latest trends in digital advertising, this one's for you. Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer volume of ads you see every day? Maybe you're scrolling through your feeds, and it feels like you're drowning in a never-ending sea of creative campaigns, with no real way to keep track of the ones that truly inspire you. Well, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, AdsLibrary. Think of it as your ultimate life raft in the chaotic ocean of digital ads. This powerful tool is about to revolutionize the way you save, manage, and analyze ads across all your favorite platforms. No more messy screenshots, lost bookmarks, or endless folders on your desktop. Picture this. You're casually scrolling through TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, just looking for inspiration or keeping an eye on the competition. Suddenly you spot an ad that's pure genius. Maybe it's a clever video, a catchy headline, or a design that just pops. You know you want to save it for later, but what's the best way? With AdsLibrary, saving that ad is literally as easy as a single click. No more fumbling with screenshots or copying links into random documents. That's right, just one click, and the ad is instantly stored in your personal ad library, ready for you to revisit whenever you need a spark of inspiration or want to analyze what's working. But AdsLibrary isn't just about saving ads. It's about giving you total control over your creative assets and research. You can download not only the media files, like videos and images, but also all the important data that comes with each ad, such as copy, engagement stats, and more. Whether you want to save a single ad or download an entire batch from your curated list, AdsLibrary gives you the flexibility to work the way you want. Bulk downloads make organizing your research a breeze. Now let's talk about keeping things tidy. You can create custom folders or groups to manage ads from different platforms, campaigns, or clients, organized by theme, brand, or even by competitor. The choice is yours. It's like having a supercharged digital filing cabinet, but way cooler and much more intuitive. Everything is right where you need it, whenever you need it. Collaboration is a breeze too. Share your folders with teammates or clients using simple, secure links. You can even add your own notes and comments, making feedback and brainstorming sessions more productive than ever. Feeling a bit overwhelmed by all these features? Don't worry, AdsLibrary is designed to be user-friendly, even if you're new to ad research tools. And if you're ever stuck for inspiration, AdsLibrary makes it super easy to discover new ads from around the world. Dive into a massive community library packed with over 600,000 high-quality ads from more than 80,000 brands. Filter by industry, format, or objective to find exactly what you need. You'll never run out of fresh ideas or creative angles. Whether you're brainstorming for your next campaign or just want to see what's trending, the inspiration is endless. And here's the real game changer. You can automatically track your competitors' latest ad creatives, so you're always in the loop about what they're testing and launching. With real-time updates and instant email notifications, you'll never miss a beat. Stay ahead of the curve and react faster than ever before. This means you'll always be one step ahead, ready to adapt and innovate before your competitors even know what hit them. Plus, you can monitor landing pages, analyze ad copy, and get comprehensive breakdowns of what makes each ad tick. It's like having a marketing analyst on your team 24/7. And don't forget about the extra perks that make AdsLibrary stand out from the crowd. Bulk save directly from TikTok Creative Center, upload your own creative files for safekeeping, and even capture full web page screenshots for those moments when you spot a brilliant landing page or creative idea you want to remember. You can also keep tabs on the active status and running time of every ad you've saved, so you always know what's live and what's not. So, what are you waiting for? If you're serious about leveling up your marketing game, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Click the link below and start your journey with AdsLibrary today. It's quick, easy, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Elevate your marketing strategy, streamline your workflow, and unlock the full potential of every ad you encounter. The future of ad management is here. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to great ads, the best ones are always just a click away with AdsLibrary.